To start with the majority, like the state that speak majorly Igbo language and the state that speak partially Igbo language. So we all know that like all the whole, let me just say 99% of the south is speak Igbo. Then which is we have Imo State, we have Anambra State, we have Enugu State, we have Ebonyi State, and we have Abia State. These are the major states that speak Igbo. Then we have some states that speaks Igbo partially, like some local governments speak Igbo, not the entire state. We have people like Delta State, like Anioma, Asaba, and the rest of them. Then when we come to Benue State, we have people, some of them speaks Igbo, some of them that have boundary with Enugu that speaks Igbo. Then we also have Kogi State. Kogi State also have people that speak Igbo. There's some of them that also have boundary with Enugu State also speak Igbo. Then we have some people in River State like Mbire, Omoma, Ndoke, Ichie, and some part of Ikwere. So they also speak Igbo language. These are some parts that speak Igbo language. Then when we come to Cross River State, we also have parts Oguja people that are very close to Igbo. They also close to Ebonyi State. They also speak Igbo. Then we also have parts in Akwa Ibom State. People that like Ikoten Ekpene, people that is close to Obohio in Aba, Abia State. They also speak Igbo. So we also have people that speak Igbo in Edo States. We call them Igbo, something like that. The Asa Igbo name, they are very close to Delta State. This Asa Igbo name, the speak Igbo, they have Igbo surname. These people also speak Igbo in Edo State. Then we also have some of them that also speak Igbo in Bayelsa State. But like just say, all the whole South East speak Igbo.